morning. Sinabawan lang natin may kamatis, sibuyas, ahos yung ating bilong-bilong na isda. Meron tayong sunny side up eggs, bacon strips, kamuti tops na giboil, and okra with our organic bagoong. Ginawa ko lang isda, di-ferment kasama yung salt. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Ginisang mushrooms with pork and our sunny side up eggs at pinakupsan na pork. Let's eat. Ito yung ating low carb meal. Ayan kay kuya, fried chicken, tapos yung ating giniling na pork with mozzarella cheese, yung ating isda, sinabawan with kulitis, vegetable natin na fresh, avocado, and our atsara na pipino. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. Ito na yung ginakain ng anak ko na sa roasters, yung kanilang lechon baka with namit, at saka nabili kami ng chicken, lumpia, not low carb, and our eggs and avocado. Let's eat. Baulan dito. Good morning. This is our low carb meal with Kuya LA. Ang ito naman sa akin. Yan, let's eat. Good morning. Hari atong pagkaon subong. Paborito kong humba. Ang dinaguan, Ma'am Jo, may shells, spaghetti, kilawin, lumpia. Uy, ang paborito ko, ginataan. Pagkaon, kaon, tas ang bawal lang. Pagsa lang man na. This is our low carb meal. May avocado, prosciutto, meron cucumber, may eggs, pork fat, and our pork with potatoes, para kay kuyang potatoes. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Salmon, eggs, pork, chorizo, and avocado. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. Ito yung ating low carb meal. Binili ni Kuya sa labas, dirty low carb. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Ginataang isda with vegetables and our pork. Let's eat. Good morning. Our low carb meal. Masyadong busog pa sa black coffee. Nagsutay lang tayo ng ating pork at saka yung vegetables na sitaw and eggs. Let's eat. Okay lang kami pads. Sorry natin na food. Low carb tonight. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal after 30 hours fasting. Birthday kay Father Noe with so much lechon. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Salmon and our pork pinakuksan. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May bonito flakes sa taas kaya gumagalaw pa yan siya. With our sunny side up eggs, round pork with bonito flakes, sitsaru, and string beans. Let's eat. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal after 26 hours of fasting. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May pinakupsan, ang palaya with egg, siomai, our leftover kajos, langka, baka, and prosciutto, and our pipino, and black. Good morning! Yan yung ating low carb kambing, our sunny side up eggs, and our prosciutto. Let's eat.